Now in this table, we'll learn how to calculate the angles of T ratios in the first quadrant. I have drawn the table for you. 0 to 90 degree I have taken specific angles 30 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. We'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide every value by 4. One complete circle is divided into 4 quadrants and find the square root of each value. So by doing this we get the values of sine 0, this will be 0, this will be 1 by 2, this will be 1 by root 2, this will become root 3 by 2 and this is 1. So we have obtained the values of sine theta in the first quadrant. Now to get the values of cos theta, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So take the whatever is the value of sine 90, that will be the value of cos 0, because sine and cos are complement of each other. We have done it, studied it in the previous videos. So whatever is the value of sine 90, the same value will come for cos 0. So you reciprocate, just reverse the values. 1 will come here, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 remains same, then 1 by 2 and 0. Why? See, cos 0 and sine 90 complement. 0 plus 90 is 90, 30 plus 60 is 90, so their values have reversed. 45 plus 45 is 90, it remains the same. Now to get the values of tan theta is given by sine theta upon cos theta. So 0 upon 1 is 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, so 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, so it will be 1 by root 3. Tan 45 will be sine theta upon cos theta, sine 45 upon cos 45, so it will come 1. Then root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, so it will be root 3, and 1 divided by 0 is not defined or infinity. Whatever values, now we have learnt earlier that tan and cot are reciprocal of tan and cot are complement of each other. They are also reciprocal ratios of each other. So being the complement of each other, whatever values we have, we'll just reverse them. Tan 90 and cot 0 are same, so we have not defined or infinity here. Then tan 30 and cot 60 are same, so root 3 comes here, fine. Then 1 remains the same because 45 plus 45 is 90. 1 by root 3 comes here and 0 comes here. So we have obtained the values for cot of an angle. Next we come to sec theta. Now here we'll use the concept of reciprocal ratios. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So reciprocate the values of cos to get the values of sec. So cos 0 will be 1 upon, sec 0 will be 1 upon cos 0. So 1 by 1 is 1. Reciprocal of this will be 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of this will be root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 0 is 0 by 1, that is 1 upon 0, the value of this will be 1 upon 0, that is not defined or infinity again, fine. Now cosec is the complement of sec. We have done sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So reverse the values, not defined or infinity here, then 2 here, root 2 remains the same, 2 by root 3 comes here and 1. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 91. This is how we obtain the table. You learn to make the table, there is no need to remember the values, and the more questions when you will try, automatically you will be able to memorize them.